everybody, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? It's Ogomadi. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in again. Thank you so much. So it's a beautiful day, and you know, I've been having a couple of requests to make cabbage swallow, as in this is keto version of it. It's a swallow, you know, instead of fufu, pounded yam, garri, wheat. If you're on a low carb diet or keto diet, or just you want to just eat healthy, you know, this is your one of your best choices. This is using cabbage as a substitute to replace the regular wheat, pounded yam, garri, fufu, or whatsoever you use. All right, so let me show you. It's a very quick method, and I mean, it's not hard at all. Just follow the way I make it and you will get a very good result. I've been seeing pictures of most of you sending me, you know, the ones you made. I mean, I'm impressed, and I'm happy you guys are following, you know, how I did it. All right, so but before I do this, if you see me for the first time, once again I say welcome to my family. Go ahead and subscribe. Tap on that notification bell so you get notified anytime that I upload any recipe. It's very important. Also, like the video. I mean, share it with your couple of people out there, thousands of people out there that wants to eat healthy, that are Africans and they're looking for, you know, what to substitute. This is your opportunity. Share this video, share it around, let it go around. Okay, all right, I'm going to show you what you're going to be needing for this. Let's go. Alright, so this is cabbage. The other time I made cauliflower swallow. Today I'm making cabbage. This is cabbage, and of course the knife I'm going to use to slice it. This is a cling wrap. You use it to wrap it when you're done. Today I want to make cabbage that's going to look or feel like garri. So that's why I have palm oil. I want to make it look like yellow garri. If you're from West Africa, you know we love yellow garri a lot. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of red palm oil for that. And of course, this is our binder. We always need this, you know. This is psyllium husk. It has fiber. It's doctor recommended. It's soothing. It helps with your digestive system. And also, it's a colon cleanser. Guys, this is awesome. And it helps regulate, you know, the heart. My mother always complains of palpitation, and when I put this in her diet, it really helps her. Okay, so like they said, it's doctor recommended. It's good, and I love this particular brand, but you could buy any brand you like. You're gonna be needing your food processor. I'm gonna be blending it here, but not all the way smooth, because garri is not smooth. Garri has a roughage feel, so I'm gonna be using this for that. And I have my cheesecloth where I'm gonna be using this to remove the water, excess water from the cabbage and your bowl. Okay, and of course, you know, you need your pot and your stove. All right, let's do this. Okay, so all you have to do, just remove the back of the cabbage as usual, not so much. Wash your cabbage down. Any vegetable you get, always wash it. It's important. I just go ahead and slice. All right, try to leave the head out of it. So now the next step, I'm gonna get a cup of water. I pour it in here. You could use as much water as you want, because you're still gonna drain it out anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Let me just put 2 huge cups, and I throw in the cabbage. Let me do it in 2 batches. And we blend. put in the other ones. Now there is enough space in it. You just keep, oh, I'm making a mess, you know, keep putting them. Let me blend this one. And the final one. Alright, let me check and see. I'm gonna give it just one more. We should be done now. Yes, remember I said I want it to look like garri. Garri has a lot of rough edges. So the next step is to pour it into the sieve cloth. Because I don't really mind whether it's a lot of water, I'm going to pour water to rinse it all out. I need all this. If you do not have a sieve cloth, use your strainer. That's fine. Just use spoon and press out the water. It's still the same thing. I'm using this because I have it. That's why. If I don't have it, I'll definitely use my strainer for this. Any size is good. You squeeze out all the water. Try your best. Use your muzzle. This is where you have to use your muzzle. Squeeze out all the water. We're not going to pour the water away. Why? Because when I'm turning it in the pot and I found that it's kind of too hard, this is the same water I'm going to use to loosen it. Instead of using ordinary water, I use the same water I squeezed out from the garbage. So that's why we're not going to pour that away. Let me just quickly show you guys how it looks. You see that? This is how it looks. It looks like garri. So let's go to the pot. And I'm just going to go ahead and transfer everything in here. Try not to make a mess. Alright, you see that? Don't worry about the green color. Cabbage is green. There are some cabbages that, or you're gonna need a turning stick. Let me just break it down to pieces before I add in the psyllium husk. The psyllium husk, you need a tablespoon. It is recommended to have a tablespoon a day. Don't go more than that, except you're making a lot of the cabbage or cauliflower or whatever. But so long as it's just this one small head, you're good with a tablespoon, right? So I'm going to go ahead. This spoon is not really table, so I'm going to add the 2. And then all you do right now, you go ahead and keep mixing them. Let them incorporate with each other. When it's fully incorporated, you will see it start forming. It will start binding. It will not be loose like this anymore, okay? Just follow the way I do it and you will not make a mistake. It's very easy, very simple. Just keep turning it. This my turning stick is so long, I just bought it. I couldn't find a shorter one. This one is so long. So guys, I found that it's a little hard. I'm just going to take the cabbage water like I said, just a little bit, and put in it. That's why I say you don't throw away the water yet. You keep it because you might need it. You don't want to, you don't want the fufu, the cabbage fufu, you don't want it to be too hard. Just keep adding water to how you like. But if you happen to like a very hard garri, hard swallow. That's fine. Leave it like that. Keep turning so it doesn't burn. You see it's forming gradually. It's coming together. Just keep turning. It doesn't take long. 3 minutes or so should be fine. Let's say 3 to 4 minutes. 4 minutes might even be too much because it's already forming and it's less than 2 minutes I've been turning it. So right now I'm going to add my oil. Like I said, a teaspoon, but if you want it to be more red, I mean, go ahead and make it a tablespoon. It's not a problem. We just want it to give it that color of yellow garri. I might actually add more the way I'm saying it. Yes, let me add a little more, because sometimes you buy these oils, they have different grades. Sometimes you're lucky you get the one that is very red. Depends on the kind of palm fruits they use, I guess. So you do the same. That oil makes it smell even like the garri already. You know, because the garri is the same oil they use when they are processing the yellow garri. It's the same palm oil they use. You see that? Form like a dough. But it's actually our wheat. Alright, it's exactly 3.5 minutes. And it's ready. You turn off the stove. And you just go ahead and transfer it to the plate, but on the plate, line your plate with the cling wrap that I showed you. To, you know, you eat it when it's cool. By then, the binding process has finished. So just wrap it round. There's no fancy way of wrapping it. Wrap it as much as you can. Alright, and this is it. Your garri, your yellow garri, nice and ready for consumption. Guys, this is very simple. All you need is the cabbage, the red oil, the psyllium husk. You blend the cabbage, drain the water, put it in your pot, turn it till it's formed. It's very easy. Now, if you do not like yellow garri or you do not want to add the oil, it is absolutely okay. Just skip it, skip the oil, and do the same way with, make it the same way, and you get the same result. The only difference will be the color. All right? So, that's it for the day. We're done. That didn't take long. You see that? Let me just say the whole process. Let's just say 10 minutes. That's not too bad. Not at all. Give this a try. Let me know how it is. Show me pictures. Share this video. You could send the video through my Instagram or Gonwadi, the same name, OGONWADI, one word. Or on my Facebook page, Gonwadi, the same way it's written on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, keep cooking, keep loving each other. And God bless you all. Thank you for joining me. Bye. Till some other time. Bye.